Hello everybody, I'm Handyman Hank, and today we're going to work on that wall. As you saw in the first part of this video, there was a beautiful mural up there, but that was put up over 20 years ago, so we're going to replace it with the same mural. And I've got Mr. Bearhead to help me. Yeah, you're right. This will be a fun job. So we're going to put it up and go really fast. So I'll let you go see what it's going to look like when it's done. There's a box down there, right there. So you can see the box is right there. And it's big sheets of wallpaper that go up, and we'll go super fast. All right, everybody. Okay, so here's kind of a middle of the project, and you can see the panels are coming together nicely. And these are the seams. You can see them now, but once it's dry, these will probably disappear. And interestingly enough, the paper expands when it gets wet, so you have to put them all on when they're wet so that they'll match up, because we tried matching a dry one and a wet one and they just didn't match up at all. So they will also shrink a little bit, which is why they overlap on the seams. But it really looks good. You can see all the details lining up beautifully along the seams. In fact, this one I can't even see the seam along here. Here it is right here. So, and here's behind the scenes. Here's our workstation. So we've got two of these little tables set up, and the instructions say to put the paste on a dry piece and let it sit for 10 minutes, and they call it booking it, where you fold it on itself. So this is folded, and you can see that's the underneath there. And I think that's just to let the paper get good and wet, but not too wet. So we're trying to stay within their 10-minute recommendation, because we did feel the paper getting a little bit friable, kind of tears too easily if it gets too wet. So anyhow, it's going along great.
Just a few more weary days and then
Okay, I guess we're all done. Looking pretty good. What do you think, Mr. Bearhead? Well, I guess that's true. Well, we'll move on from that. Very deep thinker, that Mr. Bearhead. But it looks good. Let's take a closer look. This is the next day and it's all dry. And there's a seam right here. I don't know if you can see it. Oops, there it is right there. Probably can't see it on camera. It looks pretty good. Anyhow, I think we're all done. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and me. So see you on the next video. Bye.